All right, guys, and welcome back to my channel where we do reviews on different Amazon products. We do reviews on hotels and even ways to make money online programs. But today we're going to go ahead and do a review on my new exercise bike. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so while I'm putting this thing together, honestly, the setup was pretty straightforward. Most of the mainframe comes pre-assembled, as you can see. So there's really just attaching the pedals, the seat, and the handlebars. The tools come in the box and everything's labeled well enough that you won't be fighting with mystery bolts. One thing I noticed right away, the frame feels solid. It's heavy in a good way, like it's not going to wobble when you're actually riding it. And the belt drive system means it's going to be a lot quieter than a chain driven bike, which is nice if you're working out early or live in an apartment. The flywheel is around 35 pounds, so it gives you that steady spin feel you want from a decent indoor bike. Time you're done tightening everything, it already feels like gym quality without all the noise. Alright, and here's what it looks like once it's finished. You've got a fully adjustable seat, handlebars, so it fits a wide range of heights. The seat can move up and down, forward or back, and the handlebars raise up and lower so you can dial in the exact position. The seat cushion is surprisingly comfortable. It's not one of those rock hard ones that most bikes come with. And the pedals have adjustable straps so you can get a secure fit whether you're wearing running shoes or cycling shoes. There's a tablet or phone holder up front for watching workouts, YouTube, or whatever app you may like. It also did advertise that it connects to Bluetooth, which I was not able to do. The resistance knob is in the middle, so it's easy to grab and turn right for more resistance or left to ease off, and if you press it down, it acts as an emergency stop. If you're mid-spring, you can stop instantly instead of waiting for the flywheel to slow down. Everything about the design feels clean and compact. It doesn't take up a ton of space, but it doesn't feel like cheap or light either. Now, actually riding it, you can feel the difference right away. It's super quiet. You can barely hear anything about the sound of the pedals moving. The belt drive does its job. The motion feels smooth, not jerky, and the flywheel keeps momentum going so you can keep a consistent rhythm. You can crank the resistance and get that climbing up a hill burn or back it off from a recovery spin. For home use, this is perfect. It's quiet enough to ride in the morning without waking anyone, stable enough for heavier riders, and compact enough to fit in a corner. The build feels sturdy, the seats are comfortable, and the ride quality is smooth, no rattling, no slipping. If you're looking for a reliable, quiet bike, you can actually enjoy riding one at home. This one checks all the boxes. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. But if you guys are looking for a new home exercise bike, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link down below so y'all could get yours. Highly recommend.